Okay, just to prove that the fault is from your end, not from here. You may have made a mistake in copying the username or the password. Okay, if there's a space after this O, and you add a space while typing it in, it will return error message. The same thing with the password. Okay, so let me just go through this and show you exactly. First of all, I'll log into the web and show you. So I go to slimdetox.com while it's opening. Boom. Okay, I come here, I copy this. Watch what happens here. I copy just from the S to the O and not after the O. Right? You could copy from, if I copy this, for example, as you can see, I copied an empty space before S, it will not work. The same thing with the password. Okay, so I copy this. Watch, I just copied exactly the username. I'll come here, I paste it here, come here, copy this, making sure I don't copy any empty space before or after. All right, the empty space is usually difficult to see because when you paste it, it's hard to notice. You hardly notice, but then it counts. Okay, now just copy that in here. I click on login. As you can see, it has logged on. It has logged in successfully. Now I will log in through the FileZilla as well to show you that this works. Okay, let me log into the FileZilla now. Okay, launching my FileZilla now. Why is launching? Coming back here. Now you're not going to copy everything here, slimdetox.com/cpanel. You're going to copy slimandDetox.com. That's just all you need here. Okay, so we'll come here, we'll type in slimandDetox.com. All right, then we can come and we can copy username here. If you put .com/cpanel, it might not work. It won't work. Yeah, just slimandDetox.com. Just your domain name, your root domain name, and then you put the password. That's all you need. Then you click quick access, and once you click quick access, you wait. All right, yeah, you want to accept this, which is cool. All right, if it shows that folder here, you know, successfully logged in. Right, we just successfully logged in, so you can see successful. Now to start working with this, I can go to my public HTML. Right, these are your files. Okay, depending on the one you want to edit, the front page is the index. So if you want to edit this, you open this. This is the last page, the other page. That there, this is the second page they get to after going through the index. So if I want to edit something in the index right now, I just click here and click on edit. All right, and then boom, I'm good to go. All right, but then in some cases you don't find this images here. That means you either do not have Microsoft front page, or you have it but it is not set as default HTML document, like app to open HTML documents. All right, so you can just make sure you set that by opening your Microsoft front page and clicking on make default HTML editor. All right, in my case, if I click on this and click edit, and you'll see it will pop out shortly. Okay, it's still downloading it. This is it. This is your site, right? And I can do any edit here, and thereafter I can do any edit here. Let's say, for example, I add this to, and thereafter I can save. Once you click on save, that's not the end. You must have to go back to FileZilla, to click on yes. And once it's uploaded again, it's like this, and go up here, slimandDetox.com, you would get your site. As you can see, this is the um the the edit I just made. Now let me take it off. All right, let me take it off and leave just one, and then I'm saving again. Come in here, yes, let's wait. Once it's done uploading, I will just refresh and I'll get back to this again. Right, I've not been alerted. It's still uploading the edited copy. Once it's done, it will pop out something here, and I can refresh. If I refresh now, I might get an error message, or it might still be the old content. If you check here, it is still uploading. Okay, you just wait. Depending on how fast the connection is, this can take a bit of time. All right, I think my connection seems to be okay. I'm trying to connect again. It's fine. I don't know what's wrong with it. transfer finished, transfer finished. Right, so let's go back and see what we've got here. If I refresh this now, these two dots are gone. Okay, so that's how to edit. Now there's also another way. You can go through your cPanel. If you want to go through your cPanel, you log in like I did earlier, then you go to File Manager. You see this, you click on File Manager. Also click on File Manager. The next thing you would do is to come here and click on this add like. You see public HTML, click on this add like image here, double click on it and it opens. So these are the files. You can download them. In this case, you have to now download them off the internet into your desktop or somewhere on your PC, and then open them using your editor, edit them, save them again, and then come back here and click on upload. Come back here, make sure you click on override to override the old ones. All right, then you select it, the file, wherever you save it, and then you upload it, and boom, you are good to go. So that's it. You shouldn't be any problem doing this. So go do this, do it, and let me see how it goes. Let me hear from you soon. Thank you.